everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to look at a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. Outstanding car, guys. Actually just took this car back in on trade, but great little car. I originally, I think it was a year ago, bought this car down at a show in Tennessee. I actually got it through I don't know what to call him, a broker, who was representing the car for an older couple who had it. They've owned it a long time, but great little car. Factory color combination. Car's had one repaint. This is the emerald turquoise metallics, original color. Then, of course, it's got the black vinyl top, and it has the original black vinyl interior. And the car's only got I think it just turned 66,000. That's the original miles on the car. Great car, runs and drives excellent. I can tell you the weekend I bought it, Ed and I cruised it up and down the strip. Air blows ice cold. Just a good car. And the people that just traded it back in, they put, I think they put 900 miles on it. A lot of the trim and stuff is original. You can see it's got the original T3 headlights still in it. Again, there are a few little stone pecks and things like that that you can nitpick in the car, but great car. Again, 66,000 original miles on it. Those are the original bumperettes. I wish we had some sunshine because this thing's got pretty paint on it. I love the color. There's a touch-up mark there. Here's your Tennessee 1969 window sticker. We left that in there still. The couple that originally we got it from, they took this car on the power tour as well. All original body panels. Good car, good quality Chevelle, guys. Again, this stuff's original. It's still very nice. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Little mark there in the bumper. I do not like the tips. I didn't like that the first time. I probably should have ordered some cowbell tips for it. Again, little mark there. Pretty car. 16-inch American Racing torque thrust. It's got Goodyear Advantage TA rubber all the way around it. Original 283. Now they have, as a matter of fact, it's got the original running gear in this car. They have upgraded it to front disc brakes. Dale, you can go ahead and open the doors and the deck lid too. So it has the matching numbers running gear in it as far as engine, trans, and rear. But they've upgraded. They put that Edelbrock, I think it's called, anyways, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock polished aluminum intake, and then it's got the Edelbrock camshaft in it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got a Mallory distributor in it. Of course, they've upgraded. It's got the vintage polished AC unit. Again, air blows ice cold. Power disc brakes. It's got a flex fan on it. And the car is just as clean as can be. Yeah, 2019 Hot Rod Power Tour participant. Vinyl tops in great shape. Now, all this paint here in your jambs and the doors, that's the original paint to the car. That is as nice a A-pillar chrome as you will find. I believe the original door handles. This is the original paint in these door jambs. All the original interior. Sorry if you guys get a little dust down there. We're rushing a little bit. We got rain for the next 3 days. Again, original paint in your door jambs. We're supposed to have rain for the next 3 days, so factory bench seat. They put a aftermarket center console for the radio. It's got all the original seat belts in it. Headliner's in great shape. Original steering wheel. Yeah, 66,602. That's the original miles to it. And like I said, I believe they put about, the people I just sold it to put about 900 miles. It's got some aftermarket gauges in it. Stock radio with an aftermarket sound system in there. It is dual exhaust. Stock rear end, 10-bolt rear end. Touch-up mark there. Pretty car. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk. It's got a, what do you call it, spare in it. Original VIN still on your quarters. Again, it's all spackle painted in the trunk. Yeah, it's got a Goodyear Advantage spare with a 16-inch American racing wheel. Doors open and close nice. Like I say, just a good car. Nice and clean underneath. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that website, our social media, YouTube. I know guys get frustrated, and believe me, I get bombarded. When I get bombarded with cars, sometimes it's tough for me. And I know guys say, "Hey, just send anybody out there and do it." You know, with the camera, I do the videos myself. Again, I own all the cars, guys. I want to give you my opinion why I like the car and why I bought the car. Chrome on the dash is real nice. If you didn't like that, you can take that center console out. Like I say, that is as nice as A-pillar chrome as you're going to see. Car just hits the road great. Click your air on in there, Dale. Air blows ice cold. It's a good car. Good, you can shut it off. Like I say, man, it hits the road great. It's just a good quality car. Fuel gauge works. Again, your gauges down here all, so I can see them. Yeah, they're all functional. Holds good oil pressure. Brake lights, turn signals, backup lights. Backup lights work. Go ahead and give it a little rev, Dale. Yeah, nice little cam to it. Blower motor works. Radio works. It's got the upgraded vintage controls for the AC too. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers, Dale. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Also, we're breaking Dale in. Make sure you subscribe to that YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Dale comes out hot.